Hello students, we already learned finding the LCM and HCF. Today I am going to teach the LCM and HCF by division method. Okay, short division method. Suppose example here 40 and 60. First find out the HCF. Write 40 and 60 this like. Make a box. Write the smallest factor or biggest factor of 40 and 60. You can divide by both number by only one number. Don't divide different number. Suppose 10. 10 4 is 40 and 10 6 is 60. Find out the common factor of this 4 and 6. So you can divide. Look here, 2. 2 2 is 4 and 2 3 is 6. Can you write the common factor of this 2 and 3? No. But 1 is common factor. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. It will be same. So when you write HCF up to this number, which number you divide? This 10 and 2. So these two are common factor. So multiply 2 and 10. 2 10s are 20. So HCF of 40 and 60. HCF of 40 and 60 is 20. Okay, then LCM same number 40 and 60. Up to HCF no need to change. You can divide by 10. 10 4 is 40, 10 6 is 60. Again you can divide by 2. 2 2 is 4 and 2 3 is 6. Then you have to divide up to one number remain here. Again 2 and 3 not a common factors, so you can divide by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 3 as it is. Again here is 1 and here is 3, so 3. 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3. Look here 1 1 remain. That means these are factor of these two numbers. So multiply these all factors. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40 and 43 is 120. 120. So the LCM of this 40 and 60, 120. This is a very short method. Another one. Suppose you have given 3 digits, 3 numbers, 4, 12 and 6. You can find out the LCM and HCF at a time. How you find? 4, 12 and 6. Find out the common factor of these 3 numbers. 4 4 4 3 2 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6. Can you divide 3 numbers by only one numbers? 2 6 and 3? No, because 2 is smaller number and 3 is 6, different numbers. There is one odd number and 2 even number. So 2 is a HCF. HCF is 2. Now divide by these 2. Now one by one we can divide. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and 3 as it is. When you find out LCM, you can divide any numbers. Now there are 3 common, means divide by 3. 1 remain, 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. What are the factors here? 3, 2, 2. When you write the LCM, multiply these all factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is a LCM. 12 is LCM. LCM means lowest common multiples. 4 का, 12 का एंड 6 का सबसे बड़ा कॉमन मल्टीपल्स कौन सा है? 12 है, क्योंकि देखो 12 1 ज़ा 12, 6 2 ज़ा 12 एंड 4 3 ज़ा 12. इसके भी टेबल में 12 आता है, इसके भी टेबल में 12 आता है और इसके भी टेबल में 12 आता है, इसलिए इसका LCM कितना है? 12. ओके.